Okay, I'm back. Let me quickly as usual see. Okay, cool. So, as you can see, we're gonna have to set up some trunking between the switches because FA06, FA01, which we used for that subnet, connects FA00. Sorry, which we used for that subnet connects to switch 1, FA06, and we've decided to go for FA01, which doesn't really matter which one I'm gonna go for. 441/24 as well, you can see on screen. Yeah, okay. And that connects to switch 4. We haven't done the trunking anything with switch 4 yet, so there's nothing, I believe there's no conflict on switch 4 whatsoever. No, there isn't. Trunk, no trunking. So we need to set up trunking between FE0040, switch 1 and FE01 and switch 4. Let's go back to switch 1. Let's do some work on switch 1. Interface trunk. Something, okay, so we have one ether channel which is ether channel for 789 and 789 goes to, okay, switch 3. In order to have connectivity, what I always do, we can do something like this. Just send a ping to 40006 and repeat it 1,000 times. It's not gonna work now until we've set. Oh, it's gonna work because I think the interfaces are also by default in VLAN 1. That's the only reason why it's working. But what we need to do, but we're not gonna be that lucky in an exam, on a lab exam actually. So let's do which one was it? FA01, we've used that. Okay, 11. Switch port mode access. Switch port access VLAN 10. That's the one we decided to go for. That's what was the next one available, right? Yeah, okay, which obviously that ping, it's not gonna work now. Okay. And rule 6, FA00, switch connects to switch 1 on FA16 interface. Let's check the conflict on the interfaces first. Nothing there. Yeah, you see, it's trunking there, no trunking there. And 6. Yeah, you see, by default, every interface is in VLAN 1. That's the only reason why that ping worked. But we just moved that. We decided that this is going to be our VLAN 10. We've moved the interface that connects to ISP1, which is generic inside BB backbone router 1. We've moved to VLAN 10. That thing is failing now. That's the only reason why it worked, because by default that the interfaces are in VLAN 1. Never switch. So FA00, that's its 40 subnet, connects to switch 1, 16, okay, mode access, switch mode access, VLAN 10, VLAN 10, okay. This ping might work actually, because we have trunk inside between other switches. No, it's not gonna work because there's no connectivity to switch 4 in terms of the trunking. So we need to set some trunking now quickly. So FA interface trunk, not on switch 1, perfect, okay. which one does connects to one switch row 4? Okay, you can see it's 10, 11, 12. So let's do range fast Ethernet 10 through 12. Shut it down. Channel group 1 mode on. Trunk. Encapsulation .1Q. Okay, and now we're gonna do the same thing on switch 4. However, you're gonna use there are some interfaces, which is fine. Which is basically we can copy that over. 10. For 12, I believe, right? Okay. Ref on switch 1, that's perfect. So our port channel should be a trunk now. So trunk, switch port trunk, encapsulation.1Q. Encapsulation.1Q. Switch port mode trunk. Encapsulation dot. Okay. Show ether. Come on, I have a feeling I've missed something. I don't know why. Okay, I'll make that range. 10 for 12. We're gonna do no shut on this side. And copy this. No shut on this side. And if my calculations are correct, that ping should start working in a second to a minute now. Because we have our ether channel set up. Oh, that's a mismatch or something. Yeah. What we need to do now is that we're going to use 10, 11 and 12 interface 110 interface range 110 for 12. We're going to remove those interfaces from that channel group, and we're going to create channel group 2 for that. Trunk. Okay, that's good. That's good. So the ping should start working in a second actually, because this all looks fine. The VLAN 10 is obviously allowed in the trunk as well, so now we have our trunks. 10, 11, 12. No trunking, no trunking, no trunking. This is so bizarre. Okay. Interface range 1.10 for 12. No shut. Okay, that's probably why. I think it's kind of, yeah, it's working. Okay, good. Show ether channel summary, which is fine. We show interface trunk, which is fine. Port channel 1, VLAN 10 is low, perfect. Okay, guys, I see you in the next video.